Welcome to Rome Tips. Be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this video are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this overview reflects my personal experiences with the tool. Today we're taking a look at TaxMate, found at https://taxmate.com. This online platform aims to simplify the often complex process of tax preparation and filing. While there are many tax software options available, TaxMate distinguishes itself with a user-friendly interface designed to guide you through each step, regardless of your tax knowledge. The platform boasts a range of features aimed at making tax season less stressful. One of its key strengths is the intuitive navigation, which makes finding the necessary forms and information a breeze. From simple tax returns to more complicated situations involving self-employment or investments, TaxMate appears to offer a comprehensive solution. It's designed to cater to both individuals and businesses, offering tailored guidance and support based on your specific needs. Furthermore, TaxMate emphasizes security, employing robust encryption to safeguard your sensitive financial data. In a digital world where data breaches are a growing concern, this focus on security offers peace of mind. TaxMate also provides resources such as FAQs, tutorials, and even access to tax professionals if you require personalized assistance. This level of support can be invaluable, especially for those who are new to filing taxes or have complex financial situations. While I haven't personally delved into every specific feature TaxMate offers, my initial impression is positive. The platform's clean design and user-friendly interface are certainly appealing. It's worth exploring further if you're searching for a streamlined and secure way to manage your taxes. Remember, it's important to do your own research and determine if TaxMate is the right fit for your individual circumstances. There's a lot more to uncover about this platform, so stay tuned for a more in-depth review in the future.